Okay. Famous cat and the gopher duel going on here. And he's off. No way MJ is going to let him get away. What are you doing, buddy? He's trying to make his way right over there to that hole. I don't know. Guess he's not moving fast enough to get his interest. No, he's not going to let him get that far.
What you looking at, Jay?
Not till he's done playing with him. Oh, batting him around. He's making some sort of clicking sound.
He turns around, starts sniffing them. What's that, MJ?
Yeah, probably just his teeth. He's making a little clicking sound. She wants to play with him a little bit. Boom! Nice left hook. There's that clicking again. Oh! Oh! This gopher better take off here pretty quick.
When he gets back over to his hole, they ain't gonna pick it off.
I know. Gopher trying to climb the wall. That's not going to happen. He's just teasing him and giving him some hope that he can get back and escape. Wait until he runs and bats him down a couple times. Yeah. I don't think we're going to be seeing this gopher living too much longer. But MJ might just get bored enough. Get him, buddy. Get him. Good kid. Oh! 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 How much more of this can he take? I don't know if he's just backing with his paw. Or using nails or what. Gopher still seems pretty good. Obviously scared, but still good. He's gonna make a run towards me. I'm gonna get out of the way.
You running backwards? Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw him. Well, that was a good first round. Let's take a look at some of the action. Yep, you see him coming at him with a right and a left, mixing it up. He doesn't know which way he's gonna go. And he threw him off here, and he's got the right paw up. Oh no, going left. Just great tactics in here. But you see here, right, is he going with the combo again? Nope, sticks with the right. Just amazing. And then duck and cover, get out of there. Good defensive strategy too. Well, we'll see what happens in round 2.